Hey guys, Kristian here, and I am working on a new series, and I'm making a Minecraft game. Well, it's based on Minecraft, that is, and so far I've gotten the characters done. Here they are. We have the original. Oh, lag. Whoops. Okay, we have the original Steve right here. We have the new Steve, and then we have the Alex base. And if I can go into rendered mode, you can see that they work pretty well. I modeled these in Blender based on some just facts about the size of the character. And yeah, let's see, it's probably gonna lag the video a bit, but here they are, right there. And you can see that layers work, so you can have your extra layer over your head or your arms or your chest, and those all render out nice. And I added a mesh or a skin. Well, yeah, I added the skin functionality so they each work with their own skins. And also, go back to regular mode, or not regular, but textured. You'll see the bones here, so you can animate. I can animate them in pose mode, like so. Yada yada yada. Make them move and do stuff. But yeah, I'm not animating or making the game in Blender, so I'm gonna move over to Unity. This is where I'm making the game. So right now, so far, I've gotten a few chunks generation working. I'm still testing that out, and I'll probably be doing a lot of that on Saturday. And I'm going to start that later today, right after I finish this video, in fact. And yeah, so you can see the basic Steves. Let me just click on them here, and the Alex. And these are the same ones I just showed you, except in Unity. And I added the camera and the player bounds and that kind of stuff. The camera motion isn't perfect yet, but I will be refining that very soon. Okay, so if you run the game, let me zoom out here. Let me zoom out like this. If you run the game at this point, down here is the play view, and it spawns your player with your correct skin, which is good. If you, well, of course, I'll add the typing in your username soon, but just give it a second. And I think it's lagging because of recording. Yeah, it is. Yeah. Okay, so hopefully this isn't too laggy on the recording, but you can see in the bottom, you can see the player view, which I'm actually going to put on maximize. So here's the player view. And you can move around. Now it's not perfect. I haven't gotten the motion perfect yet. I'm still refining that. But right now you can see these white blocks, which is the terrain that has been generated, and it's very laggy right now because I'm recording it on the screen. And you can see that there's shadows, which is awesomeness. And yeah, it's very laggy because I'm recording it, but it would be much smoother in real time. So yep, there's these blocks. Let me just pause this, and you can see in the editor window my skin works correctly. Whoops, whoa, let me just click on him here. My skin works correctly, and yeah, I'm looking up right now. That's what I look like. Let's see, unpause it, and I'll just like fall down if I move my shelf. Bonk. You can pause it, do whatever you want. So yeah, I've gotten 4 chunks to generate. Right after this video, I'm going to work on chunk generation in a radius around him, so a bunch of chunks generate and loading, and then I'll probably get some textures in for dirt and that kind of stuff, and just kind of like flush it out, get some overworld generation going on. But this is where you guys come in. If you're watching this video, you will have a chance to decide what happens to this game. So right now I'm just doing the basics and stuff, and I might be streaming this on Twitch on Saturday. So let me know if you want me to, and I'll probably be able to put your input into this game. And by your input, I mean like texture design. You can give me tips on and whatnot. And once I get to implementing features into the game, you will be able to decide that kind of stuff. I'll be doing video updates probably weekly, and then streaming mostly on Saturdays if it works for me. But yeah, my plans for this game are it's a sci-fi type game. There's going to be the overworld, and there's probably going to be a bunch of dimensions that you can go into that have like aliens and robots and that kind of stuff. And then you can like build your own robot, or like steal a robot or capture or whatever, and then you can like tell it to do stuff in the real world. It's just gonna be awesome, and I hope this is a good experience for me and you. And mostly, I'm trying to just learn some good concepts out of this. But I want to make an awesome game, and you guys will be able to play it. So thanks for watching, and I hope you have ideas. Please comment them below, and I'll see you in the next one.